Stop selling. Educate. Hi everyone, Krista Mashore, Community Market Leader. Do you like being sold on something? Think about when you go into a shop and you see a sales guy. I don't know about you, but I try to run the other direction. I'm like, don't look at me. I think most people feel that way. We don't like the pushy salespeople shoving stuff at us and trying to get us to buy things. So we as real estate professionals, we really need to be advisors. We need to give as much information as we possibly can and be as helpful as possible in doing so. Here's what educating looks like. It's educating your community, it's helping them, it's giving them advice. Now, there's a lot of ways that we can do this. You can do this by giving them ideas of great things to do in the area. You can tell them about the great hole-in-the-wall restaurant who serves the best tacos or raviolis in town. And you can educate and advise by constantly letting them know what's going on in the community. What's the market's doing? Is it a good time to sell? Is it a good time to buy? Why or why not? How do interest rates rising or lowering affect their payments? What are the hidden benefits of owning a home that most likely they never thought of? This is making sense, isn't it to you? So here's the best part. When you're doing this, you're showing up everywhere, and you're giving as much information and value as you can. Remember what we talked about before. You are a self-promoter. Your job is to be an attention grabber. Don't tell them how great you are. Show them by sharing your knowledge. We aren't saying, hey, look at me, I'm the best, I'm the greatest, come buy from me. We're not doing that. What we are doing is we're doing it the way the top Fortune 500 companies are. We're educating and we're helping. And by doing this, you're actually developing a relationship with them. As you continue to nurture and develop a relationship with them, they get to know you. The community gets to know you, to like you, and trust you. And soon what's going to happen is you're going to be seen as the trusted advisor. Is this making sense? You're getting it, aren't you? Okay, great. So now you have some homework. I want you to brainstorm topics that you can use to add value to your community. How can you educate them? Write them down, and I'll see you next time. Krista Mashore, Community Market Leader, and don't forget, go to the website. We have lots of great tips that can help you. Have a great day.